Good day, student. As you can see, one of my students sent this problem to me. He says it's difficult to get the value of x and y. So this is a type of problems you usually see in fractions. So you are required to find x and y, so that the equation will be equal to the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side, which is 19. So when you see this type of problem, the first thing you have to do, because this is a mixed fraction, multiplication of mixed fractions, so the first thing you have to do is to convert the mixed fractions to improper fraction, and then it will be easy for you to find the value of s and y. So the first thing here is to convert this one. I can call this 1 and I call this 2. So from here, this implies 5 3 over x is equals to this times this. You know how to do that. We give us 5x plus 3 divided by what? X. So this gives us what? 5x plus 3 over what? X. So this is the first one. Once you have gotten this, you proceed for the second, which means y, this is whole number, 1 over 2 is the same. You convert it to improper fraction. 2 times this will give us what? 2y plus what? 1 divided by 2. So this is the first thing to do. Once you have arrived at this point, the next is to simplify to get the values of x and the y. So you can return this to the equations and then it will be easy for you to see. So we proceed. We now multiply 1 to 2. You do the multiplication. So here we have what? 5x plus 3 over x times 2y plus 1 over 2. So this will be equal to what? 19. So at this point, we know that any number divided by 1 is also the number. So with this knowledge, we now proceed to solve it, which means the equation, the numerator will be equal to the numerator and the denominator will be equal to denominator. So we proceed. I hope you have seen it. Which means from here we now proceed, which means since the, let me bring it very clear, the equation 5x plus 3 over x multiplied by 2y plus 1 over 2 is now equal to 19 over 1. So equate numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So from here we have 5x plus 3, 2y plus 1 is equals to 19. I can call this equation 1. 2x is equals to 1, which means x is equals to what? Half. So once you got the value of x, you can now substitute it in equation 1. Put equation 2 in equation 1 wherever you see x. So from here we have 5 times half plus 3. I hope you are seeing it. Put big bracket, in bracket 2y plus 1 is equals to now 19. So here 2 times 5 will give us 10 plus 3 will give us 13. In bracket 2y plus 1 is equals to 19. So do you have any question? There's a problem here. sorry, this means we made mistake here. This is 5 over 2 plus 3, not 13. So 5 over 2, this will give us what? 5 over 2 plus what? 3. So 2 times 3 will give us 6 plus 5, 11. 11 over 2 in bracket 2y plus 1 is equals to 19. So here, if you multiply both sides by 2 over 3, 2 over 11, we will clear this fraction. So this gives us, multiply both sides by 2 over 3. To clear fraction, we have 2 over 11, sorry, times 11 over 2 in bracket 2y plus 1 is equals to what? 19 times what? 2 over 11. So this will give us what? 38 over 11. Are you following? This can cancel. Sorry. So from here we proceed. We have 2y plus 1. On the other right hand side we have 38 over 11. So subtract from both sides 1. So we have 2y plus 1 minus 1 is equals to 38 over 11 minus 1. I hope you are following. From here we have 38 minus this times 1 times 11 will give us 11 over 11. Are you seeing it? We have gotten x. Well, we are to get what? Y. So 2y is equals to what? 38 minus 11 divided by 11. So this gives us what? 38 minus 11 will give us 27 divided by 11. So once you arrive at this point, already you have solved it. So divide both sides by what? By 2. Divided by what? 2. Divide both sides by 2. Are you seeing it? So from here, y will be equal to what? 27 over 11 times 1 over 2. So this will give us what? 27 over what? 22. That will give us what? Y will be equal to 27 over what? 22. So these are values of y and x. So we have already gotten what we are looking for. S is what? Half. And y is what? 27 over 22. You can always pause the video and go through what we did. If you have any question, ask me and I will provide the answer for you. So we proceed to the next what we have today. If you have any question, ask me, then I'll provide the answer for you. You can do this one to see if you understand how to simplify and find a value of any given. If you are given 6 whole number, s over 3 times y 2 over 7 is equals to 22. Find the value of x and y. 6 whole number s over 3 times y 2 over y is whole number times y 2 over 7 is equals to 22. So find the value of what? S and y. Before you go, endeavor to click on my subscription button to encourage me for more videos for your view. If you haven't registered for monthly edition in our website, I urge you to do so that you'll be able to learn mathematics with us at easy pace, and at the same time be able to master mathematics and be able to do your assignment and homework. See you in the next lesson. Click the subscription button now. Click the subscription button. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.